In this video, we're going to show you how to create and use outlines in Obsidian. Outlining is a powerful way to organize information before you start writing. Whether you're planning an article, taking class notes, managing a project, or brainstorming ideas, outlines help structure your thoughts and make complex information easier to understand. However, when notes become long and contain multiple topics, it can be difficult to keep information organized without a clear structure. Important points can get buried, making notes harder to review and navigate later. The good news is that Obsidian provides simple tools for creating outlines using headings, lists, and the built-in outline panel. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create an outline in Obsidian and use it to organize your notes more effectively. So, let's get started. The first step is to open Obsidian and create a new note or open an existing one. To create a main section heading, type a hashtag followed by a space and then enter your heading title. For example, you might create headings such as Introduction, Research Notes, Key Ideas, or Action Items. To create subheadings, use 2 or more hashtags before the heading text. Each additional hashtag creates a lower heading level within your outline. Next, begin adding information under each section. You can use bullet lists, numbered lists, and regular paragraphs to organize content within your outline. As your note grows, the structure will become easier to follow because each topic is grouped under its appropriate heading. Now, open the outline panel from the sidebar if it's not already visible. The outline panel automatically displays all headings within your note. You can click any heading in the panel to instantly jump to that section of the note. This makes navigating long documents much faster and more efficient. As you continue working, you can rearrange sections, add new headings, and expand your outline as needed. In most situations, using headings together with the outline panel provides an effective way to structure and manage information. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create headings using hashtags to build your outline structure. Second, organize information under each heading using lists and paragraphs. And third, use the outline panel to quickly navigate between sections of your note. Remember that a good outline helps organize ideas before writing and improves the overall readability of your notes. Using outlines consistently can make large notes easier to manage, review, and update over time. This is especially useful for research projects, meeting notes, study materials, content planning, and long-form writing. Taking a few moments to create a clear outline can save time later and help keep your information organized from the start. And that's how to create and use outlines in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.